What actually happens when you get a smart meter installed? First, you'll book a convenient time for the installation and it only takes about an hour per fuel. The engineer will come round within your chosen time slot and will let you know when they're on the way. First off, they'll take a quick reading of your current meter to mark when to stop billing you, so you're not charged twice for any energy. The engineer will check all your appliances are in working order before shutting off the power to get started.
We're just going to switch the power off now, okay?
The power should only be off for around 30 minutes, but if you work from home, the engineer should also carry Wi-Fi dongles so we have you covered. They'll swap out your old meter for a fancy new one that measures how much energy you're using and sends us readings automatically. It's super easy.
Just going to pop your power on then, okay?
Next, they'll do your gas meter, and all our expert engineers are gas safety trained. They'll remove your old one by simply disconnecting the pipe and unscrewing it from the wall to install your new gas smart meter by fitting into a brand new pipe. The engineer will double check everything's working as it should, and after that, the engineer will tidy up after themselves, making sure they've left your place spick and span. Once installed, you'll see exactly how much energy you're using in real time through your in-home display, or by using our awesome app where you can keep an eye on your energy usage when you're out and about. Best of all, getting a smart meter can help you see where you're using the most energy and make changes to your bills. It's a win-win. And to top it off, some of our engineers will show up in these gorge vans and may have some colouring kits and mini octopuses for the kids.